Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall learn about Microsoft Excel. So we should be in position to know the definition of Microsoft Excel, the key features that are found in it, and also its application in today's daily running of businesses. So let us take an example. Like if I open Excel, you go to this home button, type the word Excel, open it. So what is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application developed that allows users to organize, calculate, analyze, and visualize data using rows, columns, and cells. So a row is like this, a column is like this, then a cell is this active part in between. This is what they call a cell here. That is a cell. So what are the key features that are found in Microsoft Excel? We have a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is this open document here, this area here. So but then you can create more spreadsheets as you want. You go here where there is this plus sign. You can add new sheet. You can have this first sheet, second sheet. Then you can also add the third sheet depending on how many you want. So you can make more sheets as you want, as you would wish. Then there are formulas. In Excel, we have formulas like summation, average. You can enter all the things in Excel. You can put equal sign, sum comes in, so you put the word sum, or you can use if functions. You can put equal sign, if, then you put what? Certain figures. So that is the if function. So then there is also application of Excel. Where is Excel nowadays being applied? It's applied in education sector. For example, where a class teacher wants to organize a report card for students, he can use Excel to simplify his work, for him to organize his work, his report card for end of year or beginning of term exams. Also, it is also being applied in science and research. So since we said Excel can be used for analyzing data in our definition, so you can use this for data analysis. You can use Excel to perform data analysis after you conducting your research. Then today's daily runnings of businesses. For example, you have a shop. I need to enter the entries of the items that you have in your shop. Excel will make it much more easier for you to enter individual items and you tally them that I have this available stock that is present. So that is how Excel can be what? Simple to use, so that you can monitor, you can track the flow of items in your shop. So that is about Excel. It makes daily runnings of businesses so simple that it captures all one thing at the same time. So you have a simpler way of doing things. So thank you very much. That is what we shall be handling in Excel. Stay tuned for other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.